Well, a very good morning to you, Leanne. Indeed, self-proclaimed political fixer Brown Mogotsi indeed is back here at the Johannesburg Magistrate's Court this morning. You'd recall the matter was last postponed due to, an argument by his legal team that they did not receive all 10 of the witness statements that they wanted in order to prepare for the trial against their client. You would know, of course, that a trial date has not yet been set. This is due to a number of bail applications that Brown Mogotsi had brought before this court, as well as the High Court in Johannesburg, which had all been denied. So we're likely to hear this morning whether those witness statements that the defence had wanted have been handed over to them. The court had ruled that those witness statements be granted to them. However, what the court did order was that the addresses, as well as the names of those witnesses, do not need to be disclosed to the defence. This was an argument that the defence was against, saying that the names and the addresses of those witnesses had been redacted from some of these witness statements, which doesn't give them an idea of who basically says what about what's alleged to have taken place. You would know that the state claims that there is some witnesses who claim that Brown Mogotsi had staged his own assassination. This is something that his legal team, including himself, in fact, have denied. What we also know is that this morning his legal team is likely to continue consulting with him on that particular footage that the state has since handed over to the defence. And the reason why that consultation is taking place here is because the defence had previously complained that they were not able to take in this disc, that they have this footage that the state has shown them. They are not able to take it into the prison where Brown Mogotsi is incarcerated, because that kind of material is not allowed inside the correctional centre. So hence that consultation is taking place here at the court cell. So what we're likely to hear today is whether all 10, according to the defence, it's 10 of those witness statements that it wanted have now all been handed over to it, and basically how then it is going to continue consulting with Brown Mogotsi before we even see a trial date being set in this particular matter. But I'm also hearing, Leanne, that there's a possibility, and I'm likely to pose this question to his defence team today. I do understand, you would know, that there have been quite a number of bail applications that he's brought, bail applications, and then after that bail application had been denied, a bail appeal had been brought. This went as far as the Johannesburg High Court, where it was also denied there, because it was felt basically that, the bail appeal had not been brought on new facts. And essentially, I hear that he's likely to bring another bail appeal. This is part of what we'll be asking his defence team today, and this is likely to be about, I think, the 5th time, if my memory serves me well, that you'll be trying to get a successful bail application.
All right, Chriselda, thanks for giving us that background info and just what we can expect from today. Chriselda Lewis on that story.